ground may shake, but every earthquake teaches us something. For centuries people felt the shaking without knowing the cause below. Today we understand much more about the forces that shape our globe. From moving plates to hidden faults, from seismic waves to Earth's deep core, earthquakes provide important clues, helping science learn even more. Every signal, every wave adds another piece to what we've traced. What earthquakes teach us about the world beneath our feet. What earthquakes teach us about a planet never still. From the mountains to the seas, from the crust to depths unseen. What earthquakes teach us the story of a changing earth. Waves help reveal structures far below what we can see, showing differences in materials deep within Earth's interior geometry. Scientists continue studying patterns, improving hazard maps through time, developing better understanding of how Earth systems are aligned. Though many questions still remain, new discoveries continue to appear. With every earthquake recorded, our knowledge becomes more clear. Every signal, every wave adds another piece to what we've traced. What earthquakes teach us about the world beneath our feet. What earthquakes teach us about a planet never still. From the mountains to the seas, from the crust to depths unseen. What earthquakes teach us the story of a changing earth. The earth is active, the earth evolves, and every earthquake helps reveal what's involved in the processes that shape our home, across the ages and across the globe. What earthquakes teach us about the world beneath our feet. What earthquakes teach us about a planet never still. From the mountains to the seas, from the crust to depths unseen. What earthquakes teach us the story of a changing earth. The shaking ends. The learning continues, and the story of our planet goes on.